3 points lead po ang kaibigan. Inbound play for the Vipers. Rosano pass to Tumera ng 3. 3 points. 3 points by the Vipers. Inbound play. Oh, turnover. Number 17. Pass to Barangay, pick and back to Rosano. Rosano to number 15. Tumera ng 3. 3 points. Number 15. FCBS. Rosano pass to Calis. Penetrates. Loose ball. Pass to Susano. Turnover. Otto, number 2. Nagdadalang tao. Pass to number 10. Number 10, big and hindi na sana low. Out of bounds. Bola ng Vipers. Score, 19-28, 9 points lead po ng Vipers. Number 17, Orsal, pass to Sano, pass to number 15, fake and 3. Basket na naman para number 15. Time out, FCBS. Time, 3 minutes and 34 seconds for the second half of the second. Bola ng Panthers, inbound play, back to Otto. Focus press, ginagawa ng Vipers. Otto pass to Conrado to the baseline to Calis. Back to Otto, pass to Calis. Tumira ng 2, hindi pumasok. Rebound by 15, pass to Barangay number 11. Relax na daw, sabi ng mga kaibigan. Back to number 11, Barangay. From Passport, pass to number 17, tumira ng 3, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Conrado, pass to Alcantara. Alcantara ngayon, pumasok, sidestepping late, 2 points. Basket count, 21-31, still in favor of the Vipers. Barangay ngayon, the center court, pass to 15 seconds to shoot. Number 17, pass to Dwight Lungsod, tumira, hindi pumasok. Rebound by, nakuha ni 17. Nilabas. Back to Bulagan. 15 for 3. Hindi. Rebound by Calis. Ahead pass to number 2. Number 2 ngayon. Number 2 pa rin. Number 2 hanggang ngayon. Out of bounds by number 2. FCBS Panthers. Symbol pala. Nagkatawa. 4-2. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Layup, hindi pumasok, rebound. It's a foul by Rosana sa 1-2 bonus feature. First throw. Hindi umabot. Time, 1 minute and run. Panthers pass to Conrado. Conrado survey the floor. Conrado pa rin. Inside pass to number 8. Jump shot. Ball possession. Reyes. Maligayang pagdating, boss. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to 4-3. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Rosano. Rosano ay nagmamadali. Nakuha number 17. 17-2. Hindi pa rin. Rebound pa rin ng Vipers. Rosano pa rin. Foul. Who's foul rin? Number 2, Otto. Rosano, inbound pass to Barangay. Inside pass to nakuha here. Otto nagmamadali. Otto pa rin. Otto hanggang ngayon pass to number 32. Then rebound by number 8. Number 17. Foul! Who's foul rep? At Sportsman Life ball position. First two. Na 6 seconds. Both free throws not counted. Tuhay lungsod ngayon. Tuhay lungsod pa rin, pass to number 15, pass to number 11. Agaw ni Otto, big end basket. Remaining time, last 20 seconds. Score 23-31. 15, 12, 11, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time for the second quarter.